Multilink is a designer, developer, and manufacturer of American-made products serving the telecommunication and DOT ITS industries. Based out of Elyria, Ohio since 1983, we have been supplying our customers with innovative products that improve the way people communicate. With our ability to design, engineer, manufacture, powder coat, and assemble everything in-house enables us to maximize our production while also cutting down on costs. With over 250 employees and well over 300,000 square feet of warehousing and production space, we are ready to serve your network needs. Multilink's engineering department has full capability of turning concept to reality. Whether it is a simple design change, customization, or a completely new product, we have the capability to make it happen. Our extensive fabrication facility has the technology and machinery to make all of our metal products. We also offer a wide range of related services and value-added capabilities that allow us to maintain the requirements of our customers and embark as a partnership on the challenges that they face. We have experience in both one-off custom designs as well as high-volume, fully assembled and kitted units. Our computerized modern machines extend from stamping metal, laser cutting, and bending, all to exact measurements. Our manufacturing process offers several different types of welding. Those options include automated robotic welding cells, AWS certified TIG and MIG welders, and various combinations of spot and stud welding machines. Our recently updated powder coating facility allows us to cut down on production costs, not only for our products, but also for our customers. We work hand in hand with our clients to help deliver accurate, high-quality products. We utilize the latest Nordson powder coating booth. With the ability to change colors within minutes, it allows us to enhance our productivity. Our process includes pre-treatment, drying, powder coating, and an oven, all built into an assembly line to maximize production capabilities. Our assembly department is comprised of professional assemblers, engineers, and technicians who specialize in all the work processes, including reading of the drawings, understanding of the assembly process, and executing the actual assembly. Whether it is a full cabinet assembly, electrical wiring, or a simple housebox pass-through, our well-trained staff has the capability to work around the clock to maintain shorter lead times and higher quality products. Our quality management system adapts to changing needs and priorities, evaluates program and process inputs, and continuously directs value-added activities to deliver superior products that strive to consistently improve the overall effectiveness of our quality system. Multilink's commitment to the quality program has allowed us to employ Six Sigma processes that comply with the Six Sigma Green Belt certification. This certification allows us the ability to implement multiple continuous process improvement projects that are not typically standardized. Multilink's in-house fiber shop allows us to configure a wide array of fiber optic assemblies. With the capability to make jumpers, pigtails, and drop cables, all with standard connectors and adapters, as well as an array of other options. Our FiberTap products utilize desired length fiber with factory connectors spooled and ready for use. All factory fiber assemblies come with an insertion loss test result, and our quality process follows strict ISO 9000 quality management standards. We have the capability to fully integrate cabinets with factory terminated fibers, offer fusion splicing to outside plant fiber pigtails, or integrate other vendors' products into our product. Our power department combines over 40 years of electrical engineering and computer science experience to develop products for the cable TV, internet operators, and transportation systems. While specializing in uninterruptible power supplies, the power department quickly turns any concept into reality. Both hardware and software solutions for our entire product line are developed at our headquarters in Elyria, Ohio. From analog and digital circuitry design, dynamic embedded systems, and power conversion, our team develops complete solutions for today's problems. In summary, Multilink's entire process is vertically integrated within our campus. This allows us to maximize efficiency and cut down on costs.